Hello guys, and welcome to another amazing episode here today on the best profitable products to sell online right now, where I come on here every single day and I reveal a new product that you can tap into right away and start making you a whole lot of money online. So if that sounds like a cup of tea, be sure to hit the red subscribe button, okay? And hit the bell notification button, because if you don't hit that notification button, you will not be notified each time I release a new video. So be sure to hit that bell notification button. Okay guys, so the product I'm going to be reviewing today is called the neck massager roller. I believe that's what it's called. Okay, I'll leave the name somewhere on the screen here. And this is another hot product I actually found on TikTok, and I've seen a few ads actually on Facebook and Instagram popping up with this roller. I just didn't get the chance to save it. So let's just play the video and show you guys how that works. As you can see, it's a rather oddly satisfying video to watch, and you can just tell that this thing is doing its job. I'm going to definitely be ordering one for myself if I haven't already done so at the time of this video being released. If I have ordered one, you will see a video somewhere, snippet of me maybe trying the product or just showing you guys what the product looks like. Okay, so this neck massager roller looks like an amazing product. It's got millions of views on this video. It's got over 500,000 likes on this video at the moment, with so many comments of people just asking where they can find it. That looks like heaven. My hair ripped out just watching this. Need one. This will fix 99 of my problems I need. So there's a lot of people asking for this product. They're looking for this product, and this is definitely a product that you can tap into. It's a great way to relax your neck muscles and also just eliminate that extra stress and pressure off your neck. Okay, so now we found a trending product on social media. What we're going to do as usual is we're going to head over and do some more research analysis to ensure that this is a product that it's worth it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some more research to figure out whether this is a product you may want to sell or not. Okay, so as usual, the first place that I always go to, and I recommend that you check out to see if there's a demand for the product, is on Google Trends. So we're going to head over to Google Trends and just type in something like neck pain relief, because that's essentially what people are going to be searching for if they're looking for products like this. Okay, so I'm just going to change that to worldwide, and I'll just change that 2004 to present, so we can get a good sort of data analysis and comparison. So you can see right here, this is a search term that has been kind of stable over the last since 2004, actually, over 10 years, and you can see it's gone down and it's been going up and up and up ever since around 2009. Neck pain relief has been going up, and it's gone down here around October 2012. I'm not sure why, but you can see it's been pretty steady. Overall, it goes up and it goes down, up and down. It seems to go up quite a lot around, trying to see what period it goes up at. December, October, December, April. Interesting comparison. So this is actually a very, very interesting analysis to read at the moment, because it's a few spikes up and down, but overall we haven't had any issues since August 2007, where it's actually dipped down to this bottom pit right here. So that's actually a great indication that this is a pretty steady product to tap into. People are searching for neck pain relief on the internet every single day, so this is a great indication. So what we now need to do is we need to go see what sort of prices we can charge for this product. How much are people actually spending on this product right now? And what better place to check that information than Amazon itself? I already found the product here to save us time, and it's currently selling on Amazon for around $20. Okay, it's currently out of stock. Obviously, they've purchased the product, they've run out of stock, and which is actually a great opportunity for you to tap into if you were thinking about selling this product on Amazon. The seller has run out of inventory. This is your opportunity to come pretty much steal their customers. Okay, so as you can see on Amazon is telling us that people are spending around $20 on this product right now, which is a great indication of what you could potentially be pricing this product for. There's over 700 reviews, which indicates that people are spending money, guys. Okay, do bear in mind that not everyone is going to leave a review. So more people have actually bought this product, and out of those people, over 700 have left reviews. So you can imagine the number of people who've actually purchased this product. Okay, so this is definitely a great product to tap into. We are all looking for things that can make us feel better, can make us feel less stressed, can make us feel happier, healthier, more comfortable. And the levels of stress these days, guys, it's just skyrocketing, especially after the pandemic and COVID and recession. People are stressed out, okay? And with stress comes pain. Okay, all this back pain, neck pain, leg pain, hand, all these pains are triggered by stress. So this is a great product to tap into to help people relieve that stress, okay? So the next step obviously is finding a supplier that can sell us this product at a low price, low enough price to allow us to make a profit, okay? So the best platform, of course, is Alibaba.com. As you can see, this is the exact same product on Alibaba. It's currently being sold here for around $1.64 per product, okay? Now this does not include the cost of shipping. So if we were to add the cost of shipping, it's probably going to take us to around maybe $3 per unit or $5 at most to source this product. So let's just put $5 just to be realistic, okay? Taking into consideration, you know, shipping fees and other expenses. So let's just say worst case scenario, you were sourcing this product for $5, guys, and then reselling this product for like $20. You are still going to be able to make a profit of $15, okay? Now what you could actually do is get the supplier to private label the product. So they offer customized logo design options. So they actually put your logo on this product, right? Put your company name, your business name, your logo on this product, private label that product, guys. And if you wanted to sell on Amazon, you can actually get the supplier to ship the product directly to an Amazon warehouse. And then Amazon would then be fulfilling these orders on your behalf. So you don't have to touch any product. You don't have to ship anything. Amazon are going to be the ones dealing with all that for you, okay? So if you're buying this product for $5, then you want to be selling it for at least $15, because then if Amazon is deducting their fees, you're still going to be able to make at least $10 to $12 profits. So that allows you room to be able to account for all the expenses that could potentially tie up your profit, okay? This is why I always recommend that you go for products that allow you to sell anywhere from 2.5 to 3 times the cost price plus shipping, okay? So in this case, if we're sourcing this for $5, you want to be able to charge this, sell this product for at least $15, okay? So this is a great product, guys, that you can tap into. Great stress relief product, great for neck pain relief. And yeah, I highly recommend that you tap into this product, okay? A hot selling product. People are searching for this product right now. They're going on social media, seeing these products and looking for places to buy this product. The seller has run out of stock, and that's actually one of the only sellers I saw on Amazon selling the exact same product. There's other neck massage products, but they're not the same one, okay? So this is an opportunity to tap into this product. People are looking for this product and there's not enough people selling it. And again, just a final recap. So this is a neck massage roller. You can sell this for $20. This is the price I recommend that you charge for the product. Anywhere from $15 to $20 is still a sweet spot, because it's going to cost you around $5 to source this product, which then leaves you with a sweet profit of $15, which is still highly profitable, okay? Okay guys, I hope you found this training useful in regards to a profitable product that you could potentially tap into right away and start seeing some incredible results. Now, I know the number one question that is probably going through your mind right now is, how do I get started? How do I create my online store? How do I go out there and start selling these products? I don't have the money to go out there and buy all these wholesale products in bulk and then start reselling it to my customers. Then I would like to introduce you to this incredible platform called Dropshipfinds.com. With Dropshipfinds.com, you can start your online store without the need to buy any wholesale inventory in bulk. The platform already has vendors that are willing to ship out the products directly to your customers as they order. So basically, your customer comes to your website to buy the product, but unlike going out there and buying wholesale and hoping that the product sells, the supplier is literally going to ship out the product directly to your customer without you having to buy anything in bulk beforehand. This is an all-in-one dropshipping platform. Now, here are some of the things that you gain access to with Dropshipfinds. Of course, you get your own website designed for you with a winning product of your choice. You get a domain name included for the year. Okay, so that's a www.yourownbusinessname.com. And you also get web hosting included for an entire year. So you don't have to go out there and pay Shopify $29 a month for your website, because that service is already included within this platform. Now, this website does not use Shopify. It uses WooCommerce, which is a WordPress build plugin, okay? And the reason for this is because it gives users more flexibility to go out there and add things like apps, and, you know, it's not as expensive as Shopify, basically, and you still get a lot more things that can be done on your website, okay? So this is really a great beginner-friendly and a really great way to get started as well. You also gain access to dropshipping suppliers with over 900 plus wholesale and dropshipping vendors that you will be able to gain access to, guys. It's amazing. And on top of that, of course, you're going to be able to get your orders fulfilled by your verified supplier. You also gain access. Here's another beauty about this platform. You gain access to a product sample. So whatever product you've chosen to sell, whatever website you've decided to purchase, guys, you're going to get a sample of the product shipped out to you at no extra cost, okay? And this is only applicable, of course, to the UK and USA only, because these are the countries that Dropshipfinds is currently open to at the moment. So this is a great way, guys, to go out there and test the products. This is one of the biggest issues with dropshipping. You don't know what the product looks like in real life, and you're kind of concerned about what your customers are going to receive. With this platform, you're going to get a sample of the product you're selling shipped out to your own address free of charge, okay? And then you can use that to create content, test out the quality of the product, and literally get started with your marketing, okay? This is amazing stuff, guys. You're getting the business and you're getting the samples to start marketing your business. Like I mentioned before, fast shipping times, okay? Again, this company only ships to the UK and USA at the moment, okay? So you don't have to wait 60 days or 30 days for your customers to receive their products. 5 to 7 business days, your customers will get their products, okay? Here's another amazing thing about this platform, okay? Oh my God, I'm super excited when I share Dropshipfinds. You get done for you social media content. There's nothing worse than having an amazing website up and running and then not knowing what to post on social media. So how do you go out there and start attracting customers? This is what a lot of people struggle with. They have the businesses, but they don't know what to post on social media. Not anymore with Dropshipfinds. So for every website that you get, you actually gain access to done for you social media content. So this is going to be things like images and videos that you can use as Instagram Reels, as TikTok videos, and even YouTube Shorts, guys. These have been created for you for a 30-day period. So you've got 1 month of marketing content done for you, ready for you to just download and upload it to your social media profiles. How amazing is that? If this isn't the easiest way to start your own online store, I don't know what else is, okay? You're literally getting access to everything. Is the laziest way, guys, to start your online store with no inventory. In addition to that, you also get your logo designed for you, okay? At no extra cost, of course. Marketing training courses at the back end, like I mentioned before. You're going to learn how to use social media and email marketing to start attracting customers to your business. And again, email marketing, as you guys know, is one of the most powerful ways to market your business. If you're not building an email list, you don't have a business. This is something you cannot do if you're selling on Amazon or other third-party platforms, because those platforms own your customers' data. With your own website, your own branded website, you are able to collect your customer's name and email and use that to market to them over and over and over again, okay? This is powerful stuff. Plus, on top of that, you gain access to the private community of other members where you'll be able to connect, learn, and also gain access to monthly Zoom trainings to help you with your business moving forward, okay? So these are the amazing things that you gain access to with dropshipfinds.com. And if this sounds amazing to you guys, I will leave a link below this video. This is going to save you a lot of time and, most importantly, a lot of money trying to put all the pieces together yourself, trying to go out there and pay for expensive websites, trying to design the website yourself, and then you have to figure out how to market your business, figure out how to find the best suppliers out there. Everything is included at dropshipfinds.com to save you all the stress, okay? So if that sounds like a cup of tea, you can head over to www.dropshipfinds.com and get your online store built today, and I will see you guys in the next video.